Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. You know, in our skincare, we don't hide anything. Okay, if today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Today we'll be producing a very smart lotion called Glutathione lotion. I named this lotion Glutathione lotion not because I put glutathione tubes or neither the powders, right? But just listen attentively. The best lotion in the world, it doesn't really need to be accumulated with powders or tubes. But however, that doesn't mean you're not going to put powders or tube. But the basic stuff I want you to learn about today, how to make use of your strong whitening oils. Alright, in a quick one here, this is our base. You see, this is about just 2 spoons because it's just a little one I want to make. 2 spoons. Look at it. Are you getting it? And this is a whitening base already. It's a whitening base. Alright? It's a whitening base. This is 2 spoons. And in here, I've put, listen to the powders I put. I put my glutathione whitening powder is in here already. Are you getting it? I put my sim white powder. The glutathione powder I put teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Then my sim white also 1 teaspoon. Then my giga white 1 teaspoon. Are you getting it? Okay. So with that makes up the glutathione. The glutathione lotion we're producing. Now after that, in a quick one, this is my customized, my customized lotion that I've done before. So you all got to, if you don't have customized lotion, you can use any of the lotion out there. Any of the strongly whitening lotion, you can use them. Strongly whitening lotion. So in here, I will be taking just half spoon. Alright? And add to it. And this now, in this process now, what you see now, the lotion with what we've gotten already, with what we've gotten already, has even boosted this lotion we're making right now. Because we've gotten our powder, aside the fact that the base is whitening itself, we've already added some additives. Are you getting it? Now we've put our customized lotion. So you can use any of the customized lotion. You can use glutathione lotion. You can use Gluta White. You can use any one you want to use, but it should be a strong and effective lotion, right? Now, this is what I know. Like every day, I come up with new oils that you don't know about. Then the only tube I'm using here, I'm using my Fashion Fair. Just one. Alright? Yes, because I really want it to be, it's a customized. You see, this is 2 spoons and plus the extra whitening I add to it, so like 2.5 already. So, and I want this to be very strong. But in as much as it's very strong, I'm just using one. This is the only tube, 1. So, and I want you to have this in mind. When you're making this kind of lotion, you have to consider if there's gonna be any side effect. Because when you side effect, when your lotion produces side effect, it becomes hazardous to people. They're not going to use it. So I add one of this. See, just one, nothing more. One, right? Then you stir. You know, it really takes me a lot to. Not everybody want to put their secret out there, but it takes me a lot. Why? I consider a lot of things, because some people buy lotion, why it don't work, and they keep complaining. And we can just put a stop, because it's very easy. Now this is what we call, look at it, glutathione oil. Glutathione oil. This glutathione oil, it have the tendency to make you, it's like, how will I put it? It has the tendency to make you white from inside, because after you scrub and you use this oil alone, yeah, because the pores is open already, so it will go inside, because glycerin is also part of this oil. Are you getting it? So it will penetrate inside the skin via the pores that is being opened. Then it will whiten you like injection from inside. So that is why we are going to use just one cover, right? Just one cover. All right. Yes, this glutathione oil is it has all its own protective, you know. You can go under sun with it. This particular one, you can go under sun with it. There won't be any sunburn. There won't be any like, oh, it's giving me sunburn. It's giving me some rashes. It's giving me some blemishes. How you want to name it? Nothing like that. Are you getting it? Yes. But most cases, I would want to say, because it's very strong, don't use it alone. Use it with other additives in your lotion, right? So you stir. You understand? Okay. Now, the reason why we put in our tea tree, okay, yes, this is a very strong, and you know, sometimes some people, they can't even withstand the aroma. So we put our tea tree oil. You know, we have different type of tea tree. Yes, let me see this one. Okay, we have different type of tea tree. We have different type of tea tree. This one is okay. This one is very okay. It's a very strong, and don't put more than one drop, because it's just one spoon. Just one drop. That's all. So you're not gonna say, oh, I said it, this lotion, oh, it's too hot, oh, this lotion, it's giving me. No, we control it. Every additive you add in it is being controlled. You try to control it, right? You put it by measurement. Don't just put this, put that. No, I didn't tell you that. Okay. So now, what you're gonna do? You can use this one, or you can use this. This is facial one. People basically people use it most times for face. Are you getting it? it lightens quickly. But in other words, if you're using this for any treatment at all, some people, their face are oily. Are you getting it already? So I would say, okay, use stage 1. This is stage 2. Alright, so now I'm putting my crude kinakor, which I'm just putting just half spoon. Look at it, half spoon of crude kinakor. Alright, okay. Now I'll be telling you guys about Solomon oil. Solomon oil. This is our Solomon oil. This Solomon oil, a lot of people say it's a spiritual oil. It's not spiritual oil, please. You know, it's really made of grape seed and yes, grape seed and mustard seed and some other seeds. You know, so it's pure organic. All right, it's pure organic. What it does, it controls your pulse. When you use it, if what is it called, like your skin is sensitive, because a lot of people say their skin is sensitive, that their skin is always being sensitive, and they are allergic to this, they are allergic to that. A lot of things there's nothing that your skin is not allergic to. This Solomon oil controls all that. Whatever you've been allergic to, this Solomon oil will regulate your body, the skin, the cells. Are you getting it? The information of the cells, it will regulate it. Then the cells that make your skin to be allergic, this oil regulates them and fight over the reaction, the side effect. Are you getting it? It fights against the side effect, that it make your skin to reject any side effect. Yes, so long the oil is inside. So your skin now will reject any side effect. Maybe you're always exposed to white patches, exposed to any spots, you know, like this oil will make your skin, you know, adjust your skin. The cells in your body now will fight over that side effect. Then it will outgrow all those effects. Before you know it, you will see, maybe your skin, you will see like, oh, this place, I used to have this white patches, but automatically it will fade off. It will fade off. Some white patches, some rashes, they not just caused by death alone. Some are caused, yes, because I know, like rashes, some of this they might cause by death. But you say, oh, it's a lotion. Is this lotion I reacted to this? No. I get it. But if it's death or if it's lotion, whatever that causes that side effect, this oil to make it fade off. So long you apply this in your lotion or you use it directly to the affected area. And before you do that, you scrub very well. You exfoliate the skin. You scrub to exfoliate your skin, right? So that is what Solomon's oil does, and it's very, you can't see it anywhere. It's only 2 companies that produces it. Only 2 companies. Are you getting it? That's why they say. So I don't blame that lady that said, oh, little time they will say industrial oil is finished. That's why they go for career oils. But that's a lie anyway. So now this is our lemon oil. This lemon oil we are using just to help the skin more brightening, aside the other whitenings we've added. All right, and we are adding just half cover. All right, good. So now this lemon is original. Look at it. It's original lemon oil that will make, you know what lemon is, it helps to brighten the skin. So not as if we don't know what we're doing, it helps to brighten the skin. All right, so now you can now put your fragrance. You can now put any of your choice of fragrance, right? Just, I'm putting half cover. All right, okay. In a quick one, this is my German Plus preservative. All right, you can actually, this glutathione lotion is a smart lotion that it can even make you white. With this one, when we've done, I can make you white. Let me not say 1 week and some days. Right? So we put in just half cover. Now, with this, we've done. I purposely make this video lengthy and slowly. You understand? Because a lot of people, they say, oh, you talk fast too much. Can you just... So that is why. People, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. In 2 weeks, let's say 2 weeks. 2 weeks. This lotion is gonna make you perfect. Make you look like a baby. This is just one of my special secret lotion. Alright? So that's the end of our class today. Don't forget, we ship everywhere. If you can't do all this, you can go through all this. You want us to send for you, we can send for you. We can ship it to any of the countries except Libya. Alright? So have this in mind. We say skincare recipe, organic recipe, also just name them, whatever you need. So stay blessed. Also, we train people also, right? So stay blessed.